something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
It's a beautiful day. Are you taking a video? Oh shit.
It's beautiful out.
Always. I am beautiful, thank you.
Okay. See? You don't need me. You got you.
I don't need you. Do it myself. There's a ferret right there, see? That little fucker, we got pollute's flying in the fog. Told you. These guys are everywhere.
I don't think that they were going though.
No, I don't think they were. Well, I know it's an hour run though, so they would have left.
No, I know, but we haven't felt away from them at all.
No, they might not have been, but my point is they were running. They were going to leave half hour ago. They would have been in this cut. But no, I think they did.
I'm not arguing that we should have gone. I'm just saying I don't think that they were going either.
No, I don't think they were for a bit, but my point was they still are probably going to, they're on more of a time schedule than us, so they're
Yeah.
going to go before I leave.
Yeah.
This damn window I can't see.
It's clear. There's nothing there.
So the guy in the Titanic said when he was watching, iceberg. So sometimes the captain's got to take a looky.
You saying that I'm like those idiots on that tower?
No, not put that on you. They were dumb, you're not. I see a powerboater just fucking smashing. It's a good time.
They're really rude around here. They make huge wake and they don't care.
Well, and no, I mean it's just like, I grew up as a powerboater, and like when you're hauling ass in the middle of a big freaking cut, you don't zoom 30 feet from the guy who's just chugging along. It's just
Yeah.
it's not even a sailboat powerboat thing. It's just being a dick.
Yeah. Well, sailboats can't do that, so it's only motorboats that do that.
Well, no, but I mean there's like the big rivalry between them. I'm just saying, like there's just an etiquette when you're more movable and you're fucking doing 20 knots, just smashing. You just veer out because you have all
Get
the power
away from the boat.
Yeah, it's not really that big a deal. I don't know why people. Oh fuck! There's a high-speed ferry. That's gonna suck dick hole. Oh fuck. That's what I was worried
baby. I love you.
Are you
good. And here's the boat.
I mean, like it. Do all that, do.
Yeah. I'll wait till it's done.
Yeah, when it's done, it will look really cool.
He's working out, and it's raining / hailing. It's freaking cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh my gosh. I mean, it doesn't feel bad inside. I mean,
Oh yeah, no, the sea state's fine. It's
Yeah.
just hanging up on that freaking cable again. That's not fun here.
yeah,
Thinking that fucking design honestly sucks.
yeah.
Alright, it's morning here. We got absolute lit up last night. We stayed over here on Blake Island, which Admittedly, I mean, I knew I wasn't really covered well, but the forecasts predict wind, and NOAA on the VHF were saying that it was supposed to be like, first it was like 20 knot winds, 21 knot winds. So we came and grabbed a buoy, and it's not very far out here. The GoPro is gonna make it look far, but this is like a little channel basically. There's not a lot of cutouts out here that were out of the wind and stuff, so we just chose to get a nice buoy, these over here, and hang out for the night. And this is the only side that doesn't get the ferry toss, and so they said less, like a foot waves. Noah said less than 2. I think it was 12 knots sustained and 22 knots, or think gusts. Really wasn't that bad. I mean, it was like we were getting blown around, but it wasn't that bad. And I don't know what it was last night, but we got rocked. I mean, the waves, the current pulled us one way, waves coming opposite, so the boat's kind of getting tossed back around and getting broadsided and shit, and it was just launching the boat. And this is a big boat, and so yesterday I was gonna actually double up my lines on the buoy, because they're solid buoys, but I was gonna double my lines. And these are big. I think they're freaking 3/4 mooring lines. Are new. I mean, I didn't buy them maybe 6 months ago to put all new lines on here, but I'll show you. I almost doubled it up. That was, I don't run chafed lines ever. That was one freaking night that did that, so that freaking sucks. So I probably polished up this thing really well. Yeah, we just got freaking rocked. Little girl got seasick for the first time. No one on the boat really has been seasick. Kids have been boating since literally before they could walk, and so they just don't get seasick. Or I was under the impression they wouldn't get seasick, but she has been puking nonstop since like 4 a.m. Took her to dry land this morning and walked it off. She seems to be a little better now, but that was a bummer. But yeah, basically just getting launched. I mean, I think the swells were at least 3 feet. I feel like everyone exaggerates swells. They always seem bigger in no water, but they're probably good 3 feet. No gapping, so it wasn't a light roll. It was just like chucking the freaking front of the bow up, and just as soon as it would come down to get lifted again, I was still working on projects last night. I was up in the front bow, and I was literally like, you get that feeling when you're on like a roller coaster, you get kicked up. So yeah, it was super weird. I mean, it wasn't supposed to be, it did turn into a small craft advisory, but it wasn't supposed to be that bad. And then I think it ended up being 30 knot winds, which is where it started coming. So they were off by just quite a bit. But still 30 knot winds. It shouldn't rock us that hard, but I don't know, something to do with, I think, not being on anchor. We just chose to hook a buoy. We've been here for a few days now. I almost think not having the anchor weight holding down on the bow didn't help either, because we were just freaking launching last night all night. It started at 6 p.m. and stopped about 6 a.m. Like, we were just up watching the sunrise. Like, sort of freaked out. Just could not fucking sleep. We're just getting our asses kicked back there. So anyways, yeah, I just figured I'd share that. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes you get nights where you just get beat up. You wake up, chug your coffee, and we're Rose puked on a bunch of shit, so we're gonna be doing laundry and stuff today. So yeah, so that's the other side of cruising. You know, it's not, we like to post pictures of all the good times, but I wanted to post a picture of the not so good time either, because it's it happens. So it's still worth it being out here. But yeah, last night was a rough night for sure. So anyways, we're moving on again tomorrow, so hopefully better weather. But yeah, doing this the winter time, it's a lot harder than summer. We're looking forward to summertime. It's beautiful out here during the winter, but it's a lot more challenges for sure. Also, give me an idea, this is where I had my dinghy tied up. You can see here, like, polished it just from, I let it out on a long line, so it kind of just do its thing, get its butt kicked out here. And anyone's polished old brass like this knows how long it takes to get through there to polish it. So yeah, it definitely was getting rocked around last night. So you hear our noisy generator running because we got to do laundry. So yeah, that's it for now. But
don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't